As I got closer, I saw something I'd never noticed before, a small dark crack in the stone, no wider than a finger. The hum was pouring from it, a tangible wave of sound. I knelt, my heart hammering against my ribs, and peered into the darkness of the crack. For a moment, I saw nothing but blackness. Then, something shifted within the void. 2 points of faint, pale light blinked open, staring back at me from the abyss. The humming stopped, replaced by a soft, wet sound, like something unfurling. It was the sound of a voice, a whisper that didn't travel through the air, but bloomed directly inside my mind.